Then you become more researchers because whenever you are talking, you will have to show the proof. आप साइंटिफिक कम्युनिटी के साथ में बोलेंगे कि हाँ सर बहुत अच्छा है, इसमें ऐसे कर सकते हैं वैसे कर सकते हैं, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है. Because you have to come in the form of science and you have to focus that. We have started this endeavor and we want more people to know. That is why it's very nice that you have all got together. I think Jignasa from here on should evolve into integrative health. You can decide on this, but then for integrative health, आपको पहले इंट्रा आयुष इंटीग्रेशन करना होगा. इंट्रा आयुष इंटीग्रेशन मतलब हो गया, see what happens. ಇಂಟ್ರಾ ಆಯುಷಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸೇಲ್, ಹೋಮಿಯೋಪತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸೇಲ್, ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸೇಲ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ದಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ कोविड के टाइम पर मैं भी था उस मीटिंग में. प्रधानमंत्री ने एक मीटिंग बुलाया और प्राइम मिनिस्टर कॉल्ड अ मीटिंग and in that meeting he said please give me one proof and standardized protocol for your treatment. What happened? 100 protocols and claims came. So he said himself देखो 100 आ गया है, मुझे पता नहीं है कि कौन सा वर्क होता है, मुझे आप एक दे सकते हो. And none of us took the initiative and gave it to him. We did a lot of trials later and so on, but one standard protocol, क्योंकि सिद्धा का बहुत सारे आ गए, आयुर्वेद के बहुत सारे आ गए और सरकार को सबने पूछा, सब बोलने लगे कि हमारा कीजिए. ऐसा नहीं हो गया. This should not happen. If you have to come together, you will have to find your interests and come to a common platform in science. आप साथ में दोस्त बन सकते हो, लेकिन जब आप साथ में आओगे तभी आप इसके साथ में इंटीग्रेट करोगे और आपके बाद मॉडर्न साइंस वाले सुनेंगे. They will listen to you. Otherwise, they will not listen to you. So this is one message that I want to give, and we are going to make this a beginning for such an endeavor. ये पहली बार हो रहा है. इंटीग्रेटिव हेल्थ का कॉन्फ्रेंस पहली बार हो रहा है. 2 पॉइंट मैं जिक्र करता हूँ और बंद करता हूँ. एक पॉइंट है WHO August WHO organized the first summit on integrative health, and it said that all countries should come out with policies for integrative health, and it has not given any definitions. It said in the first summit, all countries please come out with your definitions. Even for definitions it has given a call. अभी तक definition finalize नहीं हुआ है, तो क्या होना चाहिए? And I want you people to work on that and also motivate your friends to work on this, and then come out with a set of definition how it happens. And this definition and what should be the execution later, this also needs to be stressed with this mind. So this is and another news I want to tell is all India Institute of Medical Sciences have Ayush blocks. At least 12 of them now have the buildings complete. They have come up with the Ayush blocks. अभी समझ लीजिए कि एम्स है, एम्स में एक आयुष ब्लॉक है, पेशेंट आयुष ब्लॉक जाएगा और एम्स में भी जाएगा. क्या जरूरत है आयुष ब्लॉक करने की? व्हाट इज द नेसेसिटी? आयुष हॉस्पिटल तो वैसे है, तो पेशेंट अगर लेना चाहता है तो जाएगा. He will go to Ayush hospital. Why he should come to AIIMS? Because AIIMS is an institute of national importance, and in AIIMS we all know that they have done a lot of work. So that is why patient goes to the AIIMS thinking that मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छा इलाज मिलेगा, ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. He goes there. But he is not having in his mindset, or when he comes to NIMHANS, that I want to seek Ayurveda. He is not coming for that. He is coming to seek best possible treatment. है ना? So what should happen is AIIMS, the department will collaborate with the Ayush department. If both of them sit together and talk to the patient, then the purpose is solved. So otherwise there is no point in modern hospital opening an Ayush block in the side and patients आपको चाहिए तो आप चाहिए. That is not the way. It is that we have to come together. We should not allow patients to get confused or to take a decision. This is the basic thinking with which this endeavor has been started. So I would say that you have come for a sort of revolutionary beginning in the field of health sector. Now with this message you will have to go all over the country and spread this message or also get motivated, be in touch with us. Okay? This is about what is happening. So on 23rd there is a pre-conference workshop. 24th and 25th you will see the conference as all the Jignasa conferences you have seen. Number 2, we have a lot of scientific speakers who are coming. initially you have to tell all the participants that they might not understand completely. They might, but they will know who the speaker is and what he is talking about. Try to try to have a hang of what he is speaking. And if you have doubts, you can mail to us when we will give you clarifications and papers and so that understandings. And maybe if Jignasa takes up this issue and you want more people to know, then it is left to you. What programs you want to do, how you are going to get together, how you are going to call resource persons, how this awareness and how people are taking this awareness. And maybe Jignasa into its fold should include the MBBS students also. I'm just thinking the vision, what it can be. I'm not saying anything, but I'm just proposing so that we can come out with a chapter. So this is my message for the Jignasa. Thank you very much for coming and participating in this conference. I might not have met all your other colleagues. Please convey my regards to all of them. So I would now request Dr. Ram Varamballi to speak 2 words about this. So this Nimhan's team and Jignasa team I just brought here so that we develop this connect and we work together and see how this can be. So this is a purely academic and a noble cause. There is no somebody who has interest. आपको बहुत लोग इस endeavor के लिए पैसा नहीं देते हैं क्योंकि योगा आप बहुत लोगों को सिखाएंगे तो पैसे कौन देता है? पैसे नहीं देता ना, क्योंकि जो योगा करेगा तो कोई पैसा लेगा भी नहीं. तो इसलिए बहुत लोग यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाएंगे, लेकिन लोग इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहे हैं और आप लोगों का आना भी ये डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन है कि आप कितना इंटरेस्टेड हो एक्चुअल हेल्थ साइंस. ठीक है. So we have to broaden our horizons and broaden our discussion. So this is my message. Now I will request Dr. Shivram